After studying this module, you shall be able to know about the physiology of endocrine system of the body and its various hormones, understand the neuroendocrine theory of aging, learn about the hormonal changes with aging, understand how hormone replacement theory helps in controlling aging endocrine system. Till date, aging is a mysterious process with many theories trying to explain its basis, but none so far is completely successful in giving answer to the question. Variation in the level of hormones with aging process is a universal finding in the blood biochemistry. Hormone replacement therapy, which is also called HRT, are known to relieve the symptoms of many age-related disorders and dysfunctions. This led to postulate whether hormones play a role in aging process. This module sheds light on the endocrinology of aging. It gives the detailed description of the normal physiology of various endocrine glands, their secretions and functions. The neuroendocrine theory of aging by Dillman 1981 and Dillman and Dean 1992 is elaborated next that hypothesis, the role of hypothalamus pituitary axis in the aging process. Finally, various age-related changes in the level of hormones are reviewed with resultant symptoms and syndromes and their hormonal replacement interventions. Physiology of endocrine system. The secretions of endocrine system regulates body metabolism and functions by releasing chemical substances called hormones. Defined formally, hormones are discrete chemical substances that are produced by a group of specialized cells and transfer information to another specific group of cells. They are produced by endocrine glands. The anatomical location of major endocrine glands of the body is given in the figure. Gland, hypothalamus. It produces thyrotropin releasing hormone, and the major functions are stimulates secretion of TSH and prolactin. It also produces corticotropin releasing hormone CRH, which stimulates secretion of ACTH. Also produce growth hormone releasing hormone GHRH, which stimulates secretion of growth hormone. It also produces gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH, which stimulate release of LH and FSH. Anterior pituitary gland. It produces growth hormone, which stimulates protein synthesis and overall growth of the most cells and tissues. It also produces thyroid stimulating hormone, with secretion of thyroid hormone. Another hormone which it produces is adrenocorticotropic hormone, which stimulates the synthesis and secretion of adrenocortical hormone, cortisol androgens and aldosterone. It also produces prolactin, which promote the development of female breast and secretion of milk. It also produces follicle stimulating hormone FSH, which causes growth of the follicles in the ovaries and sperm maturation in sterile cells of testes. It also produces luteinizing hormone, which stimulates testosterone synthesis in the Leydig cells of testes, stimulates ovulation formulation of corpus luteus, causes estrogen and progestin synthesis in ovaries. Posterior pituitary. It produces antidiuretic hormone ADTH, also called vasopressin, which increases water reabsorption of the kidneys and causes vasoconstriction and increased blood pressure. It also produces oxytocin, which stimulates milk ejection from the breast and urine contractions. Thyroid. Thyroid produces thyroxine T4 and tridiothyrionine T3, which increases the rate of chemical reaction in most cells, thus increasing body metabolic rate. It also produces calcitonin, which promotes the deposition of calcium and bones and decrease extracellular fluid calcium ion concentration. Adrenal cortex, cortisols, has multiple metabolic functions for controlling metabolisms of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, and also anti-inflammatory effects. It also produces aldosterone, which increases renal sodium reabsorption, potassium secretion, and hydrogen ion secretion. The next is adrenal medulla. It produces norepinephrine and epinephrine. It has same effect as sympathetic stimulation. Next is pancreas. Pancreas give rise to insulin, which promote glucose entry in many cells and in this way control carbohydrate metabolism. It also produces glucagon, which increases synthesis of release of glucagon from the liver into the body fluids. Now, parathyroid. It gives rise to parathyroid hormone, which controls serum calcium ion concentration by increasing calcium absorption by the gut and the kidney and releasing calcium from bones. Now, testes. Testes give rise to testosterone, promotes development of male reproductive system and male secondary sexual characteristics. Ovaries. Ovaries give to estrogens. It promotes growth and development of female reproductive system, female breast and female secondary sexual characteristics. It also produces progesterone, which stimulates secretion of uterine milk by the uterine endometrial glands, and it promotes development of secretory apparatus of breasts. The neuroendocrine theory of aging. Dillman and Dean in 1992 have proposed a theory on aging based on the neuroendocrine physiological system of the body. According to this theory, the hormones determine the speed and the rhythm with the aging induces. The central proposition is that with aging, there is a decreased sensitivity of hypothalamus and peripheral receptors to hormones. This results in marked changes in the body and the resulted signs and symptoms of the aging. The decreased sensitivity of hypothalamus leads to 4 significant changes in the body. First, there is an impact on hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, resulting in metabolic and energy imbalances of the body. Second, it influences the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, leading to decrement of adaptability of a person to the environment. Third, it affects hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, leading to weakening of reproductive ability with advancement of age. Fourth and the last is, it also affects immune system of the body, making aged more prone to systematic and organic disorder. The aging endocrine system. The process of aging is associated with hormonal changes. The anatomic structures and physiological functions of endocrine glands undergo changes, leading to shift in the hormonal levels of the body drastically. Endocrine disorders are widely prevalent in the elderly people, pressing the healthcare and economic need of this cohort. Thus, early diagnosis, management and prevention of these disorders are significant to improve quality of life in the aging community. The following subsections details with the hormonal changes from the aging. Female gonadal hormone. By the 4th decade of life, serum estrogen level begins to fall. In contrast, follicle stimulating hormones levels start rising. Luteinizing hormone, which is also called LH, concentrations remain unaffected. The hormone level remain fluctuating till mid-6th decade of life. The changes in hormonal assays result in series of symptoms in aging women like diminished frequency of ovulation, reduced function of ovarian follicles, initiation of process by cessation of menses, atrophy of vaginal mucosa leading to itchy and dry vagina, vasomotor imbalance leading to symptoms like heat intolerance, hot flushes and sweating, loss of skeletal muscle mass leading to osteoporosis, increased risk of cardiovascular disorder like hypertension and atherosclerosis, increased frequency of urination and incontinence of bladder, psychological symptoms like irritability, sensitivity, anxiety and bout of angers, sleep disturbances, changes in skin conductance, loss of subcutaneous fat, thinning of hair. Male gonadal hormones. With advancement of age, the level of male sex hormone testosterone starts declining. However, the decline in the level is sluggish when compared to estrogen level in the females. Decreased testosterone levels give symptoms like low hemoglobin content leading to anemia, decline in body mass, reduced fat content, diminished bone strength. Male reproductive functions decline at a slower rate with marked drop in sexual function by the age of 80. Atrophy of prostate gland leading to urinary incontinence. Thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone T3 and T4 have a significant role in maintaining basal metabolic rate BMR of the body. Besides being controlled by the hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, the function of T3 and T4 is dependent on dietary intake of iodine. The prevalence of thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism increases with age. Hyperthyroidism in elderly. Hyperthyroidism results with increased secretion of T3 and T4 from thyroid glands. The symptoms of hypothyroidism in elderly people are palpitation, fluttering of heart, tremors, reduced pulmonary capacity producing symptoms of chest congestion and breathlessness, anxiety and depression. Hypothyroidism in the elderly. Reduced serum concentration of T3 and T4 with elevated TSH level leads to hypothyroidism in aged. It is more common and produces non-specific symptoms like decline in cognitive capacity, memory loss, increase in weight, sleepiness, thinning of hair, dryness of skin, reduced bowel movement. Adrenal hormone. Medulla hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine increases with age. Clinically, it produces symptoms like reflex tachycardia, decreased pulse rate, peripheral insulin resistance, making elderly prone to type 2 diabetic mellitus. Release of hormones from adrenal cortex also increases with advancing age. Level of aldosterone and cholesterol are high in elderly than young adults. This leads to risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Increased sodium loss from the body. Growth hormone. Decreased growth hormone with increased age bring changes in elderly people marked by symptoms like reduced muscle mass, reduced bone density, dehydration, increased adiposity, more prone to joint pain and inflammation, high blood pressure, risk of cardiac diseases like hyperlipidemia, atherosclerosis and myocardial infarction, loss of strength and function. Pancreatic hormone. Age-related diseases type 2 is one of the most common disorder affecting a large proportion of the elderly. Nearly 20% of the aged above the age of 65 suffers from the type 2 diabetes, which is due to peripheral resistance of pancreatic hormone insulin. As the age increases, the release of insulin starts declining. Individuals with diabetes experience symptoms like polyuria, polydipsia, polygapnia, loss of weight, tired, fatigue feeling, increased risk of dementia in elderly, risk of stroke, cardiovascular disorders, peripheral neuropathy and cancer. Hormonal replacement therapy. The drop in body hormones with age is treated with hormone replacement therapy. The treatment involves oral or intravenous infusion of lost hormones in significant dose and repetition so that insufficiency of hormone in the body can be substituted. This helps in putting a check on degenerative changes in the body with aging. The four main hormonal replacement strategies advisable for elderly are adrenal androgen replacement, dihydroephedrosterone DHEA is primarily adrenal sex corticoid given to elderly for insufficiency of adrenal hormone. Though its effect on aging are not clearly understood, but it is found beneficial in treating memory and cognitive deficient with increasing age. Growth hormone replacement GH is advisable HRT for lean body mass and reduced muscle strength in elderly. However, prolonged use is deleterious as it increases the risk of multiple organ failure and suppress immune mechanism of the body. Gonadal hormone replacement. Generally advisable for postmenopausal women, gonadal replacement strategies helps to treat menopausal syndrome and medical conditions like osteoporosis and endometrial cancer. A combination of estrogen and progestin is given to treat hot flushes, mood swings and depression. Insulin therapy. Insulin is the hormone given intravenously to the patient suffering from diabetes mellitus. Summary. The endocrine system comprises of glands that secrete hormones. Hormones are discrete chemical substances that are produced by a group of specialized cells and transfer information to another specific group of cells. Second, hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis. Hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis are the principal axes that secretes the major hormone of the body. The process of aging is associated with hormonal changes. The anatomic structures and physiological functions of endocrine gland undergo changes leading to shift in the hormonal level of the body drastically. Dillman and Dean in 1992 have proposed a theory on aging based on the neuroendocrine physiological system of the body. According to this theory, the hormone determine the speed and the rhythm with which the aging ensues. Changes in female gonadal hormones. Serum estrogen level begin to fall. Follicle stimulating hormone levels start rising. LH concentrations remain unaffected. Changes in male gonadal hormone. With advancement of the age, the level of male sex hormone, testosterone, starts declining. Changes in thyroid hormone. The prevalence of thyroid disorder and hyperthyroidism increases with age. Changes in adrenal hormone. Medullary hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine increases with age. Adrenal cortical hormone cortical and aldosterone increases with age. Changes in growth hormone decreases with age. Changes in pancreatic hormones. Due to peripheral resistance of pancreatic hormone insulin, type 2 diabetes occurs in elderly. The drop in body hormones with age is treated with hormone replacement therapy. The treatment involves oral and/or intravenous infusion of lost hormones in significant dose and repetition so that insufficiency of hormone in the body can be substituted.